Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an update for you as to what the channel's going to be up to in the next coming few months, and also we'll be giving the name of the winner of the Outdoor Revolution Lumimosilite. So stay tuned. So as I've said, we're going to be doing a little update first of all as to what we're up to, and then we'll give away the Lumimosilite from Outdoor Revolution. So first of all, I'd like to say thank you very much to everyone who's subscribed to the channel, and also those that have recently subscribed. Welcome, and I hope you like what we're offering on the channel. So what's coming up with the channel? Well, in September we will be visiting the lawns up in Hull, and we will be covering the launch of the new Swift Caravans. Looking forward to that, because I've heard some rumours that there's quite a few changes, so it'll be an interesting video, that one. So have a look at that. It'll be coming out shortly after the lawns. Also in September we will be recording the final video of our outcome and thoughts on the Outdoor Revolution 325 eSport air awning. So that's one to look out for. Be interesting to see what we've got to say about that one. Also September we're going to be going away, so there will be a site review from a caravan park in the Cheshire area. So in October we are attending the NEC show, and we will be there on Friday and Saturday. We'll be on the Outdoor Revolution stand, as we've been kindly invited by the team from Outdoor Revolution. We'll be chatting about the awning that we have reviewed and used, and also other products and accessories that Outdoor Revolution are currently lined up with. So if you want to say hello, come down and see us. Also in October we're going to be doing a YouTube meetup with the Caravan Channel for the Love of Caravans, with Ian, Claire and also Mikey. So hello to them, and we'll see you soon. I'll leave a link to Ian's channel below. It's worth having a look. They put a different slant on things, and I find him quite amusing, so especially Claire. Yeah, check them out. So now what we're going to do, the magic of editing, is we're going to go back to my man cave, gadget room, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to draw the winner for the Lumilight from Outdoor Revolution. So come and join us. Okay, so we're back at home. We will now pick the winner of the Outdoor Revolution Mosi Lumilight. So let's get on with it. Right, so let's see who's won. And the winner is Should I Stay or Should I Tow Now? Well done, guys. Okay then, we have our winner, which is Should I Stay or Should I Tow Now? I'd like to thank everyone for joining in and taking part in the competition. It was really good. It was one of our bigger competitions, so thank you very much. We will be running others hopefully throughout the next part of the season, but you'll have to stay tuned for that. I'd like to thank Outdoor Revolution for supplying the prize and being good sports, and also I would just like to say thank you very much for everyone who commented in other forms of social media. Now it's time for me to go now, but before I do, I'd just like to say, if Should I Stay, Should I Tow can contact me on social media, and I will arrange to get the prize to them. But I'd just like to say thank you very much again, and bye for now.